The creepy creatures that feast on perished whales. Deep-sea scavengers. Feeding on whale carcasses. In the depths of the ocean, where sunlight barely penetrates and the cold pressure of the abyss reigns, whale carcasses provide a sudden bounty of food. These massive marine mammals, upon perishing, sink to the ocean floor, becoming a focal point for a myriad of deep-sea scavengers adapted to exploit such rare and nutrient-rich opportunities. Oax worms, the bone-eating specialists. Among the most fascinating and peculiar of these scavengers are the Oax worms, commonly referred to as bone-eating worms. These creatures belong to a unique family of marine worms discovered relatively recently, in the early 2000s. They have since captured the attention of marine biologists for their specialized adaptation to consume whale bones. Oax worms are remarkable for their ability to bore into the bones of whale carcasses using roots-like structures. These structures, called roots, house symbiotic bacteria that aid in breaking down the collagen and lipids present in the bones. Through this process, Oax worms obtain essential nutrients from within the bones themselves, effectively decomposing one of the hardest substances found in nature. Hagfish, opportunistic feeders of the deep. Another notable scavenger in the deep-sea ecosystem is the hagfish. These primitive, jawless fish are known for their scavenging habits and are often quick to locate and enter whale carcasses through natural openings or wounds. Hagfish possess a unique feeding mechanism where they can knot their bodies to gain leverage and tear into the soft tissues of their prey, making them efficient consumers of flesh and organs within whale carcasses. Sleeper sharks, surviving on blubber. Species of sleeper sharks, such as the Greenland shark, also play a significant role in the scavenging process. These sharks are adapted to survive in the cold, dark depths of the ocean and possess specialized physiological adaptations that allow them to endure extreme pressures and temperatures of the deep-sea environment. When a whale carcass descends to the ocean floor, sleeper sharks can detect the scent of decaying flesh and blubber over vast distances. They use their keen sense of smell and ability to consume large amounts of fatty tissues to capitalize on these nutrient-rich meals. Powerful predators. Certain species of deep-sea octopuses are opportunistic predators that have been observed feeding on whale carcasses. These cephalopods, known for their intelligence and adaptability, use their powerful beaks to tear into the soft tissues and muscles of whale carcasses. Despite their typically solitary nature, these octopuses will congregate around a whale carcass, making advantage of the concentrated food source and competing with other scavengers for access to the remains. Crustaceans in Bacteria, nature's cleanup crew. In addition to larger scavengers like worms, fish, and octopuses, a multitude of smaller organisms also play crucial roles in the decomposition process of whale carcasses. This species of crustaceans, such as amphipods and isopods, are known to inhabit and feed on the soft tissues and remaining organic matter of whale carcasses. These crustaceans often swarm over the remains, breaking down the flesh into smaller particles that can be further decomposed by bacteria.